Fine, let us go with the problem number 7, which is very simple one. Right, let us check out this. A ship covers 5,450 km in 50 days. Right, find the per day speed of this ship. So they have not given in terms of hour and other things. So they have given the number of days. Right, it's very simple one. So 5,450 km it is going to cover in how many days? That is in 50 days. We need to find only the speed of the ship per day. Right, that's what speed is equal to, right, distance by time here. So what happens here? 5,450, that divided by 50, simplified, 0 0 will be cancelled. We are going to get 545 divided by 5. Now if you divide 5 ones are, right, I can't divide 4, so that's what I'll put 0, and then 5 9s are. So the answer here is 109 km per day. Right, this is per day, right. The answer here is the C. The ship covers 5,450 km at a speed of 109 km per day in 50 days. Hope you understood.